The endocrine system is composed of a panoply of organs located throughout the entire human body. There's the adrenal, the testes, the ovaries, and pituitary and hypothalamus, to name a few.
Shall we dwell farther into what these critical components do for the human body every single day?
Indeed, let's discuss the endocrine system. But first, let's take a look at these videos captured by CTV cameras at St. Thomas High School last night.
Warning: the following clips you are about to see will demonstrate how the endocrine system works with the nervous system and how the hypothalamus and pituitary gland play a role in fight or flight mechanisms.
It's Jackson, the ferocious scientist.
Let's take a look at what just happened there. It may seem simple to the untrained eye, but I'm afraid it's much more complicated than that. This tiger is a stimuli, and that means there's a nervous system.
And here that nervous system is. These eyes, ears and schnoz have detected the bear. These organs are now sending signals to the brain.
The hypothalamus, located in the center of the brain, tells the pituitary gland through neurotransmitters to release adrenocorticotropic hormone, which tells the adrenal medulla to release adrenaline, chemically identical to epinephrine. Now the adrenal medulla is releasing adrenaline, which opens up the bronchial tubes in the lungs and makes the heart beat faster. Eric is ready for fight or flight.
I'm ready for fight or flight. The thyroids reside near the dorsal side of the neck. It releases thyroxine and triiodothyronine, which plays roles in digestion, heart muscle function, brain development, and maintenance of the bone. It also produces hormones, including calcitonin, which regulates calcium levels in the body. Critical.
Memorial Hermann, where people have more degrees than a thermometer. Here we are at Memorial Hermann Medical Center. But what we are really here to discuss is the pineal gland. It gets its name from the common pine cone, but it's located in the center of the cranium. Its job is to release serotonin and melatonin, both hormones that control sleep cycles and emotion. Now let's talk about something a little more massive, the gonads. The testes, located externally in the lower abdominal region in the male, secrete androgens such as testosterone, which play a role in the development of the male body during puberty and sexual functions. In females, the ovaries are located on either side of the uterus. These organs release hormones such as progesterone and estrogen, which develop adipose, the breasts, and other organs in the female that will prepare it to maintain the life of an infant. Every year, millions of youth are diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, formerly known as juvenile diabetes. This genetic disorder affects 29.1 million people in the United States alone. That's 9.3% of the United States population. Unfortunately, there is no known cure for type 1 diabetes, but through maintaining a healthy diet, engaging in physical activity, and taking insulin doses, one can maintain a healthy blood glucose level.
His beta cells in his pancreas are dysfunctional. He can no longer produce insulin. His body cannot regulate the amount of sugar in his blood. He has blurry vision. The glucose in his blood makes the blood dense. His blood has the consistency of a slush.
He also experiences dizziness and mood swings and emesis. there's pretty lies. Mr. Hannah, Jackson, I'm afraid you will need an amputation. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry, it's over.
He's dead?
He would be greatly missed.
How tragic.
It was a tragic loss. He died so young.
Why did he have to leave us?
I'm very sorry to have to tell you that Jackson Hannah